Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of Food with Rage. So today's video, I'm going to show you another recipe. This recipe is called Eggplant with Chili Con Carne. So, let's go! Our first ingredient is eggplant. Cut it into strips like this. Next ingredient is 1 medium-sized red onion and 1 Siling Labuyo. Ground pork. Let's start by frying our eggplant. Turn on the other side and transfer into a clean plate once cooked. Drain the pan and leave a little bit of oil. Put in the onion. Put in the pork. Add in black pepper. Add 60 ml banana ketchup and 60 ml soy sauce, or you can also use bell for you to get notified for new food-related videos. Bye!